okay? Trees? Alright. Do you see where that light is, where that's that yellow buoy? To starboard, I turn there, don't I? Yeah, baby, I got it. Just tell me if there's any other ships coming in like... Goodbye, Norma Jean, no, I never knew you at all.
Mira.
Well, when the alarm goes off at this morning, it was 5:30. I'm like, really? And the problem is, it's not that the alarm goes off at 5:30, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this. It's that you don't sleep properly. I don't sleep properly when I've got an alarm set in case the alarm doesn't go off. It's just my own, hang on a second, OCD. That noise is actually the ESC call from Spanish radio, or Spanish Coast Guard. And actually what it normally says is look out for boats coming in, or like dinghies from refugees, which is quite sad. You know, when the alarm goes off, it's kind of like, oh, I've got to get out of bed, this is going to be shocking, and I just feel grumpy as hell, and I always kind of like try and force a coffee down, which is never good because it makes me feel sick. But then you get a sunrise like this and it's flat calm and you're like, alright, yeah, it was worth it. Pretty cool, pretty bloody cool, and I love it. What can I say? I love sailing.
It is a absolutely stunning morning on the coast of Spain, and I've had a little nap. I've just come onto my watch after a quick nap, which was much needed. Now we're just motoring along at about 4.5 knots, which is kind of slow. Normally it'll be alright, but we've got a long day today. We've got about, I think it's going to be about 20, no, not 20, about 72 miles, I think, from Cadiz to Gibraltar. And yeah, at this rate we kind of risk getting in after dark, which is really not what we want to do. It's 9:20 at the moment. I don't know how much longer we've got. We've done 15 miles, so what's that? We've got about 60 miles to go. So yeah, we'll be, I think it'll be pretty close. It gets dark at about 9:30. We shall see. I mean, the marina's usually fairly well lit, so it should be okay.
How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same. What will it take? Why the way? Up and down, I'm losing ground. Pretender, tell me what to believe. I ain't got a sweet tooth for lying. Spender, show me how to succeed. My wallet is spreading thin. Oh, ooh, what to do? I am me and not you. Ooh, what to say?
I love it when my bread turns out well.
I brought it on myself. I was blinded enough. I never meant it to harm. You fall into yourself. I was breaking the walls. I never heard the alarm. Now I'm rising to fall behind. I've been holding
picked up current.
Oh, we did too. Wow, I missed that. Hang on, let me show everyone.
So we picked up about a knot and a half of current, and the wind, well, I think if the wind swings round, comes from the east, I think we're probably going to have quite an uncomfortable couple of hours
What
when we
direction
get
is